Cruising through the lanes of human progress, we stumble upon the latest advancements shaping our world. Technology, a driving force, is altering the society we inhabit, like a potter molding clay. Renewable materials aren't just for packaging and construction anymore. They're the bricks laying the foundation for a sustainable future. Now, switch gears, and you'll see efforts towards peace and conflict resolution, painting a different picture of our globe. These aren't just diplomatic whispers in hushed corridors, but loud, resonant calls for unity and understanding. From Silicon Valley to the Great Wall of China, from the Eiffel Tower to the pyramids of Giza, the world is pulsating with innovation, peace, and progress. Are you ready to explore these fascinating developments that define our era? Hop on, fasten your seatbelt, and let's embark on this journey of discovery. Remember, the road ahead is as exciting as we make it to be.